Hello everyone, welcome to SPOTO's Media Sale CCIE Lab exclusive live stream. Thank you for joining me today. This is the biggest sale event of the year, and you are right on time. Yes, I'm your SPOTO CCIE tutor, and today is a very special day. We are kicking off our mid-year sale, and we have jaw-dropping exclusive deals prepared just for the people in this room. Yes, hi, welcome new members. Which ID certification you want to get? Okay, I see many of you want CCIE certification, right? Nice. Let me take you to be CCIE certified in 2026 easily. Yes, do you know SPOTO has passed CCIE lab recently? Yes, it's a good news for us. Today is the day. Our mid-year sale CCIE lab exclusive is officially live. Yes, we are breaking down the new requirements of CCIE EI lab. Yes, and the guidance for your exam preparation tips. If you missed last time, don't miss it again. Yes. Today we were going to introduce the overview of CCIE certification, and then the CCIE lab preparation guide, also CCIE service package, and the Q&A part for you. Yes, this webinar is worth $199. Yes, and now you can learn it free. Yes, exclusive for SPOTO learners only. Yes, let's start today. Before we start the CCIE introduction, I want to show you our special sale today. Yes, you can join our SPOTO mid-year big sale today. The lucky draw here. Yes, you can join. Wait a moment. Yes, you can click the link on the comment section, and then you can go to this page. Yes, for SPOTO mid-year lucky draw. Yes, you can fill in the form with your email address, and then you can select your country and then enter your WhatsApp, of course, and then you can select your target course. Then you can start lucky here, and there are some free order, free ebooks, and iPhone 17, and also some free course here, and also the coupon code. Yes, Huawei Watch 5. Yes, there are many gifts here. You just click the link on the comment section and then fill some information, then you will get it free. Yes. Okay, let's come back to the CCIE introduction here. Okay, yes. Let's move to the CCIE overview here. Before the introduction, I would like to let you see our CCIE holders' latest past report. Yes, the whole of the press, our latest CCIE lab passing report is here. Yes, you can see the June 2nd stable pass, and guess what? During our mid-year sale, joining SPOTO has never been more affordable. Yes, hurry up. Seats are limited. We have held more than 2005 CCIE success from SPOTO. Yes, you can copy their story as well. If you want to be CCIE expert like them, yes, let's get CCIE certified with SPOTO in 2026. Okay, let's unlock the passing secrets one by one. Yes, I will make brief introduction of CCIE first. Yes, the CCIE credential is one of the most prestigious networking certification in the world issued by Cisco, and it's meant to identify top-level engineering experts. Employers see CCIE as one of the most influential networking certifications a network engineer can have, and those who possess them are often industry leaders due to their extensive knowledge. Yes, you must pass both a written and a practical lab exam to obtain CCIE certification. Yes, with CCIE, you can take your place as a tech leader. Technology areas include enterprise infrastructure, wireless, data center security, service provider, and collaboration. Yes, which CCIE track do you pursue? You can leave your comment below. Yes. Many of you want CCIE EI track, right? Yes, EI is very popular in current market. Yes, I will explain the EI lab details in later part. Yes, here you can see that CCIE is a widely recognized certification. Yes, also it's widely considered the industry's highest level IT certification program, commonly referred to as the Doctorate of Networking. It equips candidates with excellent internet working skills that are simply the best in the industry. However, do you know the CCIE salary here? Yes, let's see the CCIE average salary in USA 2026 for an example. The average CCIE salary in the United States is $150,000 per year. Wow, it's amazing salary. Yes, you can see from the right chart, there are huge gaps from the salary between certified and non-certified professionals. Yes, people with CCIE certification earns almost 20% than the non-certified. So you can get an idea of why CCIE is so popular. Yes, also CCIE job titles here. Yes, the entry-level job titles in the industry for Cisco Certified Internet Network Expert include Network Engineer, Network Architect, Cisco Engineer, and Network Analysis. Yes. Also, according to the pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience, countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potentials for CCIE certification holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. Yes, let's go to the next part. How to obtain the CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certification. Yes, you need to pass one core exam, the written exam, and one practical lab exam. Yes, let's move to the CCIE exam overview first. CCIE Enterprise Infrastructure Certification validates your skills with complex enterprise infrastructure solutions. Yes, after passing the qualifying exam, you can pass the lab exam later. Yes, it covers enterprise networks through the entire network life cycle, from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. Yes, let's move to the lab part. As you know that the EI lab has updated to V1.1 version. Yes, this exam is 8 hours total, with the first module being 3 hours and the second module being 5 hours. Candidates will be tested on varying technologies and solutions listed in the exam topics throughout both modules. While both modules independent from each other, there is a progressive storyline that will be built upon throughout the entire 8 hours lab practical exam. Candidates will not be able to navigate back and forward between modules. Alright, we have talked about lots of CCIE lab exam overview. Now let's go deep into the key points today. Yes, CCIE lab preparation guide. Yes, in 2026. Also, if you want to get 100 real CCIE lab and study materials and passing tips, as well as other IT exam done, ID news, yes, update exam tips. Join the link on the comment zone to join the group and for more study guides, and pin admin for more details. Yes, what I want to share with you today is the topic that everyone is most concerned about: how to prepare the CCIE lab exam. Yes, look at this picture on the screen. This isn't just a diagram, it's your battlefield for the next 3 months. Yes, from HQ to DMZ and from SDWAN to DNA Center, we have a clear 3 months strategy campaign to ensure you don't just take the exam, but you conquer it. Are you ready to see how we are going to do it? Yes, let's get started. First, let's talk about the 8-hour crucible. Yes, the CCIE lab is a marathon, not a sprint. Yes, so it's divided into 2 rigid phases. First is the 3-hour design module featuring single choice and multiple choice and drag and drop questions. You must submit the design module to unlock the DO module. Yes, remember, time doesn't roll over. Saving time in design won't extend your DO window. Our optimal target is finishing design within 1.5 hours to stay fresh for the 5-hour practical section. Yes, I see a lot of people asking in the chat, which version will I get? Yes, the reality is multiple versions are in rotation. We are checking 3 design sets, S2 Plus through S2 Plus, and 3 DO sets, S2, S2 Plus, and the latest DO3, and also DO4 we have, yes. But here is the good news, and you can breathe a sigh of relief here. The programmability module is a universal check. It's identical across all versions, so once you master it, you are set for any version you put on exam day. Yes. Now, how do we fit all of this into your life? We have mapped out a 12-week campaign. Yes, week 1 to 4 focus entirely on traditional RS, and weeks 5 and 10, this is the core of your journey, moving through SDN basic and advanced. And the final 2 weeks, we polish DO3 and the design module. Remember, you have a strict 100-hour limit for SDN hardware. This roadmap ensures you're done with a single minute of that time. Who is ready to commit to these 12 works? Yes, type commit in the chat. Okay, the phase 1 is where we build your muscle memory. Yes, you get unlimited virtual rack access for S2 and S2 Plus. The goal here isn't just knowing the commands, it's speed and accuracy. Our milestone for this phase is completing the full configuration in 60 minutes with 0 references. No Google, no notes, just you and the CLI. To move to the next phase, you will need to submit a full recording of this 60-minute session to your mentor for audit. It's tough, but it's the only way to ensure you are ready for the pressure of the real exam. Yes, moving from phase 1 to phase 2 is like moving from a flight simulator to a real cockpit. Yes, we transition from virtual environments to strictly scheduled physical SDN hardware. Notice the targets here: 60 minutes for S2 SDN and 90 minutes for the complex S2 Plus SDN. S2 Plus is the boss level. It has a massive configuration volume and complex logic. Pro tip: spend your offline time and understanding the logic before you build the rack. Don't waste your 100-hour limit just typing. Use it for execution. Also, at T-1.5 months, we unlock the DO3 materials. Now, don't panic when you hear the DO3. Yes, the SDN part is almost identical to S2, only section 2.1 is different. The RS sector has about a 50% delta. The key takeaway here is if you have mastered S2 and S2 Plus, you have already covered almost the entire exam scope. It's all about managing the small differences. Yes, we are in the home stretch. The last 3 to 4 weeks focus on programmability and design. For programmability, we use gigabit CC racks to match the real exam environment, aiming for a 5-minute finish. But pay attention to the design warning on the screen. Option sequence is randomized. If you just memorize 1 to A, 2 to B, you will fail. You must memorize the technical content of the answer. Yes, how many of you have tried those practice questions already? Yes, it's harder than it looks, right? Okay, let's look at the technical layers you need to master for RS. At the bottom, we have L2 gateways, think VLANs, and SRP. Then we move on to IGP and the routing policy, where tagging and metric tuning are vital. The heavy hitters are in the MPLS and VPN layer, covering everything from LDP to DMVPN. Yes, finally, the top layer is security and HA, where we harden the network with AAA and port security. This stack approach ensures no gaps in your knowledge. Yes, for S2 SDN, yes, we follow a strict deployment workflow. It starts with underlay, redistribution, then move to control templates, where we switch vSmart to vManage hosted mode. The magic happens in traffic engineering, using SLA and AAR for app-aware routing. Finally, we secure the edge with gas DIA and sync our HGT policies with DNAC and ISE. This is the heartbeat of the modern enterprise network. Now let's look at the S2 Plus. The architecture gets stricter. Yes, the big one here is the hub-spoke architecture. Branch-to-branch traffic is expressly denied unless it goes through the hub. Yes. We also introduced TLOC extension for high availability across dual C edge setups. And don't forget OMP tagging where local policies for DC routes, and it's more complex, but it's how we achieve precise control in an advanced SD1 environment. Also, for programmability, it's all about the trigger and the response loop. We use EEM and get shared together. For example, if a track goes down, it triggers a Python script to generate a syslog. We also use REST-config to pull stat and modify parameters. And for the design module, you will need to recognize the DNAC device API structures, and don't let the code scale you. Focus on the logic and the script parameters. Finally, here is your standard of excellence. Yes, before you even think about scheduling your lab date, you must be able to clear listable from memory. Yes, design module is 1.5 hours, IS and DO3 60 minutes each, and SDN advanced 90 minutes, and programmability 15 minutes. Yes, we require a full screen recording of your final sessions as validation. If you can do this, you are just ready. You are unstoppable. Yes. So who is going to be the next CCIE in the room? Yes, type me in the chat and let's get to work. Okay, if you want to get the latest CCIE demo for free, type that demo in the comment zone. Yes. How many of you want to get the update lab demo? Yes. Okay, I see many of you want to know the EI lab DO3 or 4 demo, right? Yes. Join the group on the comment section and contact admin to get more free demo. Then there are some passing secrets with SPOTO step by step I want to share with you. Yes, first, EI lab has 2 modules. Yes, it includes design and DOO. SPOTO has clear practice standards for setup students. Yes, for example, it's recommended to complete DO within 3.5 hours before recommending students to take the exam. For example, IS and SDN each need to be completed within 1.5 hours. Many students find it strange that DO has 5 hours. Why are the requirements so high? Yes, because candidates may experience various failures in DO due to nervous, unfamiliar test environment, which may lead to various failures in DO, and the students need to spend a lot of time to troubleshoot failures. So follow my standards strictly, and I will give you an effective test preparation experience. Also, secondary, the lab practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. You can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. The most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room, so don't worry about your practical difficulties. We have already made study arrangement for you. Also, our practice environment will separate RS, SDN, programming, and finally have a vision experiment. What you see is our RS practice environment. Everyone will get a unique RS rack practice permission, and when you complete the RS practice, we will help verify your overall practice quality. I will tell you where there are deficiencies to improve. Yes, and this is our SDN rack practice interface. This is a complete practice environment including RS and SDN, which is 99% identical to the test room. You can plan your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance, and when you meet the exam standards, we help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. The overall lab practice environment is very convenient, and the main environment is almost the same as the test room. Yes, here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you assign our CCIE lab training course. First of all, we provide one-to-one service at the VIP level, distribute EI lab solutions or study materials that are the same as the exam content. We provide rack exercise. The rack includes iOS, initial configuration, etc. Yes, if you encounter any problems or difficulties during the practice, our tutors will help you solve them through the team view. Also, we provide tutorial videos explaining workbooks and solutions, and it also shows you how to configure it section by section. Also, we will arrange for you to test the quality of practice at each stage to confirm that you meet the test standards. Also, we can arrange the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam, etc. Make sure you pass the CCIE in one pass in the exam. Yes, with SPOTO, we can help you pass in 3 months only. Okay, here are some preparation tips for CCIE. You can see here that for lab requirements and provisioning, you should familiarize yourself with and understand the laptop topology and requirements, and understand the provisioning environment of each device. Also, for lab topology data analysis, you need to practice the lab content in modules and analyze the routing data clearly. Summary and communication, yes, you need to identify weak points through module exercise and summarize the faults and problems you encounter, and share your troubleshooting ideas with your tutors. Also, you can completely practice the lab version without referring to the solution to improve proficiency and accuracy. The last one is quality inspection. Yes, contact tutors for period quality inspections to verify their own shortcomings and consolidate them, communicate with the tutor more, and be able to follow the tutor's test preparation suggestions. Yes, after payment, we will have a special CCIE group for you. Tutor will help you all the way. If you have any problems during your study, tutor will help you to solve all the questions. Yes, so you are not alone. We will have a 3-month service group for you. Okay, let's move on to the CCIE service package. Yes, to see how SPOTO can help you pass the CCIE in first try. Yes, here is the CCIE EI Lab service package. You can see here that we have 100% materials, include workbook and solutions and related user guide. Yes, and our materials is 100% cover the real exam. And also, we have design and DO part which is aligned with the latest exam feedback. And we also provide physical rack hours. It's 100 hours, and we provide rack configure. Yes, you can practice via web, support Chrome, and Firefox. Yes, our standard service period is 3 months. Yes, you can get it at a huge price sale today. I will reveal the special price later. Yes, here are some comments from CCIE students. They all speak highly of our CCIE EI lab. Yes. Okay, if you want to get the latest CCIE EI lab demo, SAC, and also CCD lab demo, please join the group link here and contact admin Lucy for more details. You can scan the QR code and take a screenshot to save in your photos and join the group and get more free demos and study materials. Yes, let's move on. Yes, congratulations for students who passed CCIE EI Lab recently in July. Yes, you can see here that it's fresh updated. Yes, for the huge sale today, the original price for CCIE EI Lab is $2,000. Yes, now it can be $1,200 only. Yes, you can buy now and start service as you like. We offer 3-month service. You can buy now and start service later, but preserve the special offer today. Yes, here are some special gifts for customers who order the CCIE EI Lab today. Yes, we will show you a pre-exam guide everyone should read before the real exam. Yes, we have collected some common mistakes or some must-read guidance for you. Yes, if you want this, don't forget to join our group and connect admin Lucy for more details. Yes, we will share CCIE demo, study materials, and special offer, and also the exam feedback, and also our industry trends in the group. Okay, for CCIE SEC Lab, we have huge sale as well. Original price is $2,000. Now it's only at $1,350. Yes, you can see here latest pass in July 8. Yes, we have stable pass now for CCIE SEC Lab. Don't forget to order today and start service next month or next year. It's based on your study plan. Yes, for collaboration lab, yes, we have huge sale as well. It's only $1,300. If you want this price offer, don't miss it now. Only for today's live sale. Yes, for CCIE DC Lab, we have huge sale now. It's only $1,350. Yes, we have stable pass for CCIE DC Lab. We have 3 months service as well for your preparation. You can buy now with the special offer now and start service anytime you want. Yes, many people now preserve the DC Lab with the lowest price offer and begin to start in October or November as well. Okay, for SP and Wireless Lab and the CCD Lab, we have also huge sale today. It's only $1,300 for each exam. Yes, we have 100% verified real lab exam workbook and solutions, and also we provide real exam environment and the complete lab service. Also, we have technical support from professional tutors, CCIE tutors. We will have a special group for you after payment, so you are not alone. You can pass the CCIE exam with our tutor support. Yes, besides the Cisco products, CCNA, CCNP, and CCIE, we have huge sale as well today for PNP, AWS, Microsoft, ASCCA, Fortinet, Juniper, and F5 as well. If you want a specific exam code offer, please join the group link and pin admin for more details. You can get a huge discount coupon code and buy now to start anytime. Yes, for CCNA exam, we have huge sale as well today. Original price is $300. Now it's only at $140 now. Yes, CCNA latest pass as well. Yes, if you buy 2 exams or more, you can get more discounts. Yes. Also for CCNP core and the concentration exam, we have huge sale today. Yes, the price for CCNP core exam is $210 only, and for concentration exam it's only $160. Yes, it's amazing price, and if you buy 1 core and 1 concentration exam, you can minus more discounts. Yes, buy more exams, you can get more discounts. So don't miss this huge sale price and join the group link in the comment section and contact me Lucy for more details and the huge discounts for combo offer. Okay, if you have any questions about our CCIE package and other Cisco products or IT products, don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section, or you can join the group today and ping admin Lucy for more details. Yes, here on the special sale group now, and you can scan the QR code here and contact admin Lucy for more details. Also, we provide CCD latest lab demo, CCIE lab DO4 demo as well. All are latest update to the real exam. So don't miss this huge offer again. If you miss the mid-year sale, right? Okay, this is the new chance for you to grab this offer and start later. Okay, that's all for today. If you want to pass your IT exam fast, don't forget to join SPOTO today with the huge sale, summer sale, right? Yes. Okay, see you next time. Any questions, please join the group link and contact admin for more details and a huge offer. Bye, see you next time.